After coming home from a 5-day vacation, the last thing I wanted to do was clean my house, but I got to admit it needed some TLC, and thankfully I have Roberta and she just did her thing. I didn't have to worry about it. This is one of the best investments I've had for my home. It's a 2-in-1 mop vacuum that automatically cleans. You can schedule it through an app, and look at what a good job she does. It's currently on sale in the TikTok shop for the next 10 days. They're doing a promo event, so you guys go check the link and grab this while it's on sale. Most of the time, these are like $300, so this is a really good deal. Get it while it lasts. I put the link on the video, and thank me later.